issued a flash flood watch for portions of southeast Indiana and northern Kentucky, including the following areas: in southeast Indiana, Ohio, and Switzerland. In northern Kentucky, Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin, Grant, Kenton, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson. From Thursday evening through late Friday night. As the remnants of Harvey approached the area late Thursday evening into early Friday morning, showers will overspread the area. Rainfall rates will increase Friday morning into early Friday afternoon and then taper off late Friday night. A band of 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts will be possible through Friday night. People in the watch area should keep an eye on the weather and be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas, and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses.